This one product dropshipping store made over $40,000 in 30 days by selling only this product, the RGB corner floor lamp. But you'll be surprised how well this product is selling. And what's even more impressive, this store is relying only on Meta ads, which means one thing: the profit margin is so high, it can fully support paid traffic and still stay highly profitable. In this video, we're going to break down everything from the store design to the sales data to the product sourcing, and finally, the exact ads that are driving these results. So if you want to understand how a simple one product store can generate over $40,000 in 30 days, make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the basics and quickly understand the benefits of a one product dropshipping store. The idea is simple, yet very strategic. After conducting thorough product research and finding a product with a high wow factor, strong market demand, and good profitability, you build a store focused entirely on that one product. In most cases, the store will mainly sell that core product along with a few complementary products to help increase the overall cart value. Another big advantage of a one product store is positioning. Because the store focuses on just one specific product, it can become the go-to place for that product. And because of everything we mentioned, focused branding, clear messaging, and specialization, the store can often charge premium prices. Think about it this way. It's like comparing a general wholesale store that sells many random products to a store that specializes in just one specific product. The specialized store can charge more because it feels more professional, trustworthy, and expert-driven. And in the customer's mind, that usually means higher quality and better value, which makes them more willing to buy. Okay, so now let's review the store we're going to cover today, Lititver.com. I personally like how they play with the word light in both the brand name and the domain. It's simple, but very smart branding. Starting with the announcement bar, which is one of the first things a buyer sees. Summer sale live now. Light tower now 50% off. This is great for creating urgency and pushing buyers to act faster. Even if the price doesn't actually change much, the feeling of getting 50% of a discount is very powerful when it comes to conversion rates. Next, the menu. Since this is a one product store, the menu is very simple and not overcomplicated, which is exactly how it should be. When it comes to the hero section, the images are very well chosen. They clearly show the effect of the product, helping the buyer imagine how the light tower would look in their own space. Then we see the section, a minimal design, which aligns perfectly with the brand's messaging around simplicity and lit aesthetics. In the section 100% customizable to your space, the store shows the product in different environments. This is very important. It demonstrates that the product fits a wide range of styles and audiences. For a one product store, this is a key strategy. Showing versatility helps buyers make faster decisions. Now, one of the strongest elements on this page is the before and after comparison. This is a brilliant use of a simple feature. It clearly shows the impact of the product and makes the value immediately visible. Towards the end of the home page, there's a clear place to purchase the product. However, one thing I feel is missing, especially for a one product store, is customer reviews on the homepage. Adding them here could make the page even more convincing. Now, looking at the product page, the structure is also very solid and clean. Since this is a product people might buy more than once, the option to purchase bundles, 2 or 3 units at a discount, is a great strategy. If your product allows it, offering small discounts for multiple units is always a smart move. Another strong point is the use of original images. It looks like the store owner created some custom visuals, which helps differentiate the product and makes the store feel more unique and trustworthy. Finally, there are two elements I really like. First, the frequently asked questions section, which helps answer common questions and removes buying objections. Second, the customer reviews, whether they're real reviews from buyers or imported from AliExpress, they add strong social proof. Overall, this store is a great example of how a one-product dropshipping store should be built. Clean, focused, and effective. And the best part is that it doesn't rely on any complex coding, just smart use of Shopify's built-in tools. Okay, so we found a one-product dropshipping store that might be selling really well. Now I want to remove that might and see if this store is actually successful or if it just looks good. For this, I'll use the Zeek Store Sales Tracker. With this tool, I can access hidden data that Shopify doesn't publicly share, like store revenue and number of sales. All I need to do is copy the store URL, paste it into the Zeek Store Sales Tracker, and hit search. So first, I can see that the store has generated over $40,000 in revenue and sold over 500 units in the past 30 days alone, which is very impressive for a one-product store. Now, if you find something you like about the store, whether it's the design or specific features, you can also check out Shopify's apps they're using and explore how to implement them to your own store. Lastly, I can see something really interesting. From what I see, this store is not relying on organic social media traffic. It looks like it's driven mainly by paid ads. And later in this video, we're going to explore exactly which ads are making this store so successful. But first, let's analyze the profitability of the product. And for that, we'll need to source it from an international supplier like AliExpress. Okay, so now let's move into the product sourcing, which will help us understand the profit margin of this store and also explain why they chose to rely only on paid ads instead of organic traffic. And just for reference, we're looking for the same exact product, not just a similar one. Now, after reviewing a few options on AliExpress and by searching the keyword RGB corner floor lamp, I was able to find a few solid matches. Here's one that I liked the most. It's the exact same product, priced at only $37.54 with free shipping. Now think about this for a second. This is more than half of the price compared to the dropshipping store selling it. And now it becomes very clear why this store is focusing heavily on paid ads. If the store is selling this product for $79.95 and the sourcing cost is only $37.54, that leaves around $40 of profit per sale after Shopify fees. With a profit margin like that, it makes perfect sense to prioritize fast traffic through paid ads instead of spending time building off of organic traffic. Think about it this way. Even if they're spending $25 per sale on ads, which is relatively high, they're still left with around $15 of net profit per sale. And this is exactly why analyzing the data is so important. It removes the guesswork and helps you clearly understand the strategy behind successful stores. Okay, so before we continue analyzing the paid ads of this store, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want to use the same tools I'm using in this video to validate products and analyze stores, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. Okay, so now that we understand the amazing profit the store has from selling this product in a one-product dropshipping store, let's analyze the paid ads. All I need to do is click on the meta icon in the ads channels section, and there we go. Okay, now we're inside the Light Tower active paid ads. As you can see, this store is running many ads, which is another strong indication that both the product and the profit margin are working well. Now, when I analyze paid ads, I like to start with the oldest active ads first. Well, why? Because if an ad has been running for a long time, it usually means the store is keeping it live because it's profitable and generating a good return on investment. So let's scroll all the way down and analyze this video ad that has been running for almost 2 years, since June 12th, 2024. If I wanted to run ads for this product, I could learn a lot from this. First, let's look at the ad copy. And this one really makes you stop for a second because the copy is very interesting. Have you heard? The lamp game has changed forever. Boring traditional lamps are now a thing of the past. Check out the lamp that's not just light, it's art. This is an amazing copy, but most importantly, we know this copy is probably bringing a strong return on investment because the ad has been running for such a long time. Now, that doesn't mean we should copy it word for word, but we can definitely take inspiration from it and create something similar for our own store. I can also see which platforms this ad is running on. Then I can review the video creative itself, and what I like about it is that it looks simple to create. There's no complicated editing or expensive production involved. And lastly, I can see which CTA buttons are being used. In this case, the messaging is built around phrases like replace boring traditional lamps and the CTA button, learn more. Now, the idea is not to analyze only one old ad. You have to review as many long-running ads as possible because that will help you understand what makes the ads work, what messaging drives clicks, and what type of creative is likely to be profitable. All right, so now you've seen exactly how this one product dropshipping store works, from the branding to the product to the profit margins, and most importantly, the paid ad strategy behind it. And as you saw, success here is not random. It's based on data, smart positioning, good product research, and high margin products. Now it's your turn to take action. Find a product with strong demand, validate it with data, and build your own strategy around it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep breakdowns like this. And if you want to use the same tools I'm using to analyze stores, find winning products, and uncover hidden opportunities, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.